Before you scroll past, ask yourself, what if 30 days from now you could make your first $1,000 using just your phone and a few basic skills? Let me show you how. I'm not here to waste your time with outdated ideas. These three methods of making money are being used by smart people right now to earn real cash. I've used one of them myself to earn over 600k and it is still paying me up till now. Without wasting your time, let's jump straight right into action. For someone to make money, you need to either sell a product or render a service. Either way, you need to have few basic skills to be able to excel in both categories. Number one on the list is nail technician. If you're a young woman, a student, or a stay-at-home mom, one of the fastest way to earn serious cash is by becoming a nail technician. First thing you need to do is to learn the skill. You can learn by visiting a professional nail tech and learn from them. You can also improve your skills by watching YouTube or TikTok tutorials. After learning the skill, the next thing is to position yourself to start earning real cash. The university campus is the biggest market for nail technicians. You can start by offering services at university campuses, attaching yourself to salons. You can also offer home services. Create a TikTok page where you showcase your work. You can post before and after clips of customers. You can post customers' reactions and appreciation messages from them. Now let's look at pricing. Nail techs in Nigeria charge between 5k to 10k per customer to have their nails done both arms and feet. And in assumption you work only one customer in a day, your income can add up to 300k, and in 3 months you will be making close to 1 million naira. You can even partner with existing salon to gain experience and exposure and clientele. The next on the list is creating faceless video content like this for content creators.
Deep in the heart of Sudan, the tribe of Mbaka was known for their precision and accuracy in knife throwing. These prowess helped them to hunt, to defend themselves, to war, and to win their love from the opposite gender.
This one made me over 600k in 1 month from just 2 clients. They both requested 10 videos each from me on African storytelling niche for their faceless YouTube channels, and I charged 30k for one video. Now you can do the math. Here's how I started. I created a TikTok page and started editing short story videos for faceless YouTube and TikTok creators. Then at the end of each video that I post, I mention that I create these type of videos for people that want to make money from YouTube using faceless content. This method alone got me my first client. I learned how to create and edit this type of stories from this YouTube channel, 7-Figure Boss, and I perfected my editing skill from this channel, Think Media. Let me show you the basic pattern. You can start by writing your own story, or you can generate stories from ChatGPT. Then you can get visuals using Google Visual Whisk or free AI tools like Meta AI. Record the story with your voice or use 11 Labs for the voiceover. This video I'm using my voice to do it. Then put it all together and you have your first video. Start by posting 2 or 3 minute African folktale videos on TikTok. Add animations and good editing. At the end, explain that you make these type of videos for creators that want to make money using faceless African videos on YouTube. Your first client might be waiting. You can charge 20k or more for each video and you can make up to 1 million in a month. You can use this strategy on Facebook and Instagram to get a larger audience. Alright, before we move on to the third on the list, please, if you have not yet subscribed on the channel, do it right now for more videos like this. The third on the list is car detailing business. Honestly, this is the most lucrative on the list. Detailing a car costs nothing less than 50k per service. My friend Shell makes nothing less than 2 million in a month from detailing cars. And the funny thing is, it requires little capital and no skills to start. Basic stuffs that you need are car polish, tire shiner, brushes, interior cleaner, vacuum cleaners, and car perfumes. Watch few YouTube tutorials and practicals. This channel, Epic Automotive Detailing, will help you to improve your skills. Now let's look at how to build a clientele. You can start by offering your first service for free. Yeah, for free. The reason is simple. You can use this service to get a marketing video for your brand. Obviously, you are going to record it for social media content. Videos of clean interiors, tire transformations, or mirror finishes often go viral. That brings in paying clients. Your main focus should be on car owners in estates, malls, church, campus, or even car washes. You can charge between 30 to 40k for a car. Now, from 30k to 40k for a car, you can assume now and calculate how much you can make in a month. Major advice and the bottom line of making this video is to tell you that you do not need millions to start making money. All you need is one skill, one idea, and the internet. If you want more breakdowns like this, hit the subscribe button and check the description below. I have dropped some free links for you to get started. Thank you so much.